So hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna make review of the Medieval Sawmill. So double Medieval Blacksmith outbuild, and so it does use two sets of 21325. MOC number is 173041, built by Rusty Dusty Bricks. So I will put the link in the description if you wanna check it out. It's on Rebrickable, and yeah, but this build, it is kinda really nice. I cannot say anything bad about this one. It's kinda big, it's huge, uses 4062 parts out of I don't know, 4300 something, so almost all bricks are used, and it does use only two Medieval Blacksmiths, so you don't need extra pieces, so that's always a nice thing. We get two little side builds. So one is the carriage for the food, as you can see over here, apples, carrots and stuff, and another one is for lumber. So yeah, now let's check out all the nice things. So we have a sawmill inside. There is really nice chimney with light bricks over here. There is a shed for the wood over here, and we have a little creek. So we have a little creek here, and as you can see over here, yeah, that's a nice one. So the stairs, we have stairs from this side going up over here and inside the house, and the house is full of details. There is lots that you can take out, so you can play with it, like this roof over here. So if you take this roof out, you can see inside this. So here comes the lumber on the mill and comes out, and it comes out like this. So that's kinda really nice. I will put this a little bit back. All in all, build was fun to build. I cannot say anything about that, but it did take me lots of time. Instructions are okay. There is maybe one mistake or two, but just the color scheme, nothing overly too fancy. So yeah, not something that you should be overly occupied with. So all the roofings, basically all you can take out. So you can take out this one, and here you can see there is some nice items inside of this one. So we have a bed over here. Maybe let me show you from the back side, from the other side. So again, this roof you can take out as well, and you can see the bed, and I believe this one you can take out as well. It does not go really easily, but it's possible to take out. So this roof as well. So as I said, you can take basically all the roof, so you can have access to play with your minifigures. So that's kinda really nice. I do like the chimney. I always do like the chimneys. So I'm gonna put this back, and this one as well. So like this, and then we can check out, because this one is 2 stories high. So only when you take out this part, you need to be careful with this one, because it's kinda in the way. So but let me address this one first. So let's see. So yeah, because when you put it down, maybe change this to like going like this. That would be maybe a little bit better. I might do this myself. So let's see the rest of the build. We have interior of the, I will call this first floor. So there is packed with details. We have the lighting brick here for the fire element. There is full size kitchen, table, 2 chairs, a bed over here, and all the goodies that you would need. Like this, you can see this helmet, armor, stuff like that, and these are the to access the second part of the build. So yeah, that's kind of really nice. I mean, amount of details in this build. I mean, the blacksmith itself, it's a really nice build. So let me take this out, then we can make maybe a little bit better look out on this one. So the amount of details in this set is really nice. We have some fire over, I mean the fire is here, but we have some wood on this side, and yeah, I mean it's a really nice build all in all. Now when you take out this one, then you can see full inside of the sawmill as well. So yeah, I believe this should be possible to move, but I didn't manage it, so I'm not really sure if I made some mistake on the build or it's just like that. So basically what happens is that you put the log inside, mill does it work, and after that you get the lumber outside. So that's kind of whole point of the sawmill. But to be honest, this build ended up as a massive one, so not really sure it's gonna be even bigger than Lion Castle. I will make a comparison video on that one. So yeah, we will see how that will pan out. I might need to change this, or maybe I did it wrong. Not really sure, but like this, it might be me that did something wrong. Maybe like this would be better. Let's try it. I believe this, maybe it was my mistake. Yeah, it might be my mistake. So as I said, there is lots of details, lots of pieces that go in and out, and there is lots to play with. So it's kind of really nice and interesting build. And first time I saw it, I was really keen on building it. It did take me some time, but all in all, it's nice. Instruction wise, as I said, not some big mistakes, maybe some color, but yeah, so far all kind of good. And I do like the shed over here and the creek as well, so that's kind of nice. So yeah, to the outer rusty dusty bricks, congrats man, I hope to see more of your builds, that's for sure. And yeah, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow. It will help me grow the channel. And yes, stay tuned, because we did start already Falcon Master Castle by Major Bricks, and this is the point where I came to already. So that's something that is my next build so far. So again, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and if you have some really nice MOCs out builds that you want me to make a review, be free to comment on it, and we will see what we can do about it. So thank you, and I hope I can see you in next one. So till next one, see ya.